Hi students, good morning. How are you all? All are fine? Come on. Today we will go to the grammar part, ma. 7th class English. 7th class English, day 5, ma. 7th class English, day 5. Open your page number. I think we have completed the first lesson, na? Previously we have completed previous class. We have completed the first lesson, the townmost and the countrymost. Am I clear, ma, students? I think you all enjoyed the class also. And I already completed the work also given for grocery. And I started the grammar part, ma. I started the grammar part. Page number 7. Page number 7. See, I told you all the Roman number 2, Roman number 3, I explained to you all. Right? Yes. So, today we will go. Page number 2, 3 also finished, I think, ma. Arrived in town, got to a place. So, okay. Let's come to page number 7, ma. Page number 7. The following sentences. Take your pencil, students. Take your pencils, ma. All of you are ready? Shall I start? Here we go. The following sentences are from your lesson. So, some sentences are given here. Some sentences are given here. These are from the lesson, ma. These are from the lesson. Read them carefully and tick. Read them carefully and put a tick, ma. Put a tick. The correct meanings of the underlined word in each sentence. In each sentence. So, here are some sentences given from the meaning, ma. From the lesson itself. So, we have to tick the correct sentence, ma. Correct meaning, okay? He has asked me to spend a week in the countryside. Countryside means a land outside towns and cities with fields, woods, etc. So, countryside what can say na? A village ma. A land outside towns and cities with fields, woods, etc. So, tick C ma. Tick C. The townmost packed his bags. Townmost packed his bags. So, it is B ma. Put clothes, etc. into a bag in preparation for a trip away from the home. So, the answer is B ma. Answer is B. Remember, the first one is C, second one is B, ma. Are you all doing, students? Okay? The day was bright and sunny. The day was bright and sunny. So, means the answer we can say, the correct one is, with a lot of bright light from the sun. Sunny matna, with a lot of bright light from the sun. Answer is A, ma. A. He nibbled at the root and the sugarcane. The correct one is B. Took small quantity of food, showing a slight interest. B, ma. So nibble means this meaning. The country mouse arrived in town, got to a place. B. It is B. Here now, fill in the blanks with absolute phrases given below. So here, looked around, plenty of, full of, piece of, got up. So some words are given here. Some words are given here. These words you have to and to make the paragraph complete. Your paragraph is incomplete here. You have to complete the paragraph now. Complete the paragraph using these words. So Rambabu started his journey to his grandfather's village in Prakasham district. In Prakasham district. He caught a train to reach the village. The train arrived at the station. At that time, he was hungry and thirsty. What was he doing? He was hungry and thirsty. As soon as he got off, so when the train stopped, what happens? You will get off. So, got off. Okay, got off the train. Answer is here, got off. Ma. The train stops. What happened? As the train stopped, he got down. So, got off. He wanted to drink and eat something. So, what he wanted? He was hungry. So, he wanted to drink and eat something. So he looked around, but found nothing to eat and drink. So he searched. Means answer is looked around. What ma? Looked around, but found nothing to eat or drink. He started walking towards his grandfather's house. On the way, he found a shop. Which was full of cool drinks. He had plenty of money. So what ma? He had plenty of money. So he bought a cool drink and a piece of bread. So what did he do? He bought a cool drink and a piece of bread. So the first one is got off, ma. Students, are you writing, ma? Write down. Got off. Looked around. Full of. Piece of. Plenty of. So this is what you have to write, ma. Got off. Looked around. Full of. Piece of. Plenty of. This is what you have to fill in the blanks with these words to make a meaningful paragraph. Ma. This is one. Here again now, This is very important, students. This is very important. You have to by heart this one. So column A and column B are given here. Column A and B are given here. So you have to match these words from A to B to what now, to make them a meaningful word. Make a meaningful word. So example, they give an example here now, birthday. So what it is? Birthday. Okay, ma? What it is? Birthday. Yes, it's given here now, first one. Second one is door. So you can say door means doorbell. Doorbell. Right, ma? Doorbell. Okay. The third one is fire. So fire means what we get? Fire. Exactly. Firewood. So firewood. Only this you can firewood, no? Am I clear? Okay. Hand. You get your handkerchief. Handkerchief. Coming again here. Moon means moonlight. When you join these two words, we have to get a meaningful word, ma. Meaningful word. So you have what you get? Moon plus light. Moonlight. Motor. Yeah, baby, have your, yeah, very good. Motorcycle. So motorcycle, the bike. Motorcycle. Sun. Come on. Sun. Shine. So what ma? Sunshine. What do you get? Sunshine. Here again we get the last word, we get ma? Gate. Is gateway. So it is gateway. So much here. The first one we get as birthday, doorbell, firewood, handkerchief, moonlight, motorcycle, sunshine, gateway. So this you have to write ma. And here coming to comparisons ma. Comparisons. So actually this comparison you have to learn a lot ma. You have to learn a lot because these are very important for you all doing grammar part ma. So we are in the previous class I taught you all about the verb forms. I taught you about the verb forms, the past, the present, past, and the past participle. I explained you all clearly. So now you have to learn about the comparisons. These are comparisons. So the comparisons we have three kinds. One is the positive degree, comparative degree, and the superlative degree. Positive, comparative, and superlative. So we have three forms. We have three forms of the comparisons. So here are some words given to you all. Some words are given to you all. See, darker, darkest. Superlative form is darkest. There is nothing else more than darkest. Darker, what now is comparative. It's in the form of comparative. Small, smaller, smallest. The other forms are smaller, smallest. Okay, students? Come again to rich. When rich is in the positive sense, positive degree. Richer, R-I-C-H-E, richer, richest. Rich, richer, richest. Safe, safer, safest. Safe, safer, safest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Tall, taller, tallest. What ma? Tall, taller, tallest. When you come to these all come under the superlative form. Superlative form. These are the comparative forms. Okay. Bright, brighter, brightest. Bright, brighter, brightest. So these are the three forms. These are the three forms. So what are three forms? One is positive, comparative, and superlative. Positive, comparative, and superlative. So here say we have. Here what now? Nothing else more. It's only a small change. Small change. Words which more than 1 or 2 syllables. Okay. More and most. What you have now? You have to add only more and most. More and most. So come again here. See here again. Here again change. Here change. See much, more, most. So good, better, best. So this is what I have. Say I'll tell you. Okay, see. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Interested. More interested, most interested. Doubtful, more doubtful, most doubtful. So these other words you have to complete with your own. You have to complete with your own. So I'll give you a list. You have to complete your own. Take out a pic and send me. You have to complete on your own. Take out a pic and send me. Okay, ma. This is what I can tell you today. And today your homework is. Today is day 5, no? Day 5. So 36, 21. Today you have to read and write 2 times. You have to write this 2 times. Okay. Column A and column B. say exam I told you no, birth rate, doorbell, firewood. With the, you have to show this column A and column B and write the meaningful word here. You have to write the meaningful word. This is your homework for today, ma. And even this is also your homework. Which one? This full para. You have to write from year to year, ma. Write the para. Fill in the blanks to make the paragraph in a meaningful way. Meaningful. This is your homework, ma. Okay, ma. Students, you all do your homework in the textbook only. Take out a picture. Complete the book here. Okay, ma. Complete the book here. Okay, this was complete. Complete this one. Take out a photo and send me, ma. Take out a photo and send me. Okay, ma. So this is the work I gave you all today, ma, students. And your writing must be neat, ma. Try to improve your writing, ma. Try to improve your writing. Okay, students. Take care, ma. Bye. Be safe and secure. If any doubts, na, students, you all can just contact me directly, ma. If not, you can message me. Okay, ma. So don't hesitate to call me or to clarify your doubt. Okay, if you have doubts, you are always welcome. You can just call me directly. If not, you can just message me, ma. And I will clarify your doubts. Okay, students. Bye. Take care. Be safe, ma.